Hello students, welcome to the session. Let's continue with the lesson, the Southern Plateau. Before moving to the next topic, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. We learned about the Southern Plateau, its location and physical features. To the south of northern plains lie the vast southern plateau of India. It is triangular in shape and covers a large part of India. The Narmada Valley divides the southern plateau into two parts. To the north is the Central Highlands. To the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands include Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Large area south of the Satpura Mountains is the Deccan Plateau. So today we are going to learn life in the Southern Plateau and we are going to learn about three states: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Let's start, students. The Southern Plateau covers a vast area and hence the climate and soil vary from place to place, changes from place to place. The region experiences heavy rainfall. However, the climate is moderate. Moderate means it's neither too hot nor too cold. Let's see where Maharashtra is located. It is located in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. Here Maharashtra is located. This is the Deccan Plateau. So now northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. This is the picture of the Deccan Plateau. Maharashtra is located in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. Its capital is Mumbai, an important trade and industrial center. Mumbai is also the biggest center for film production in India. On the screen you can see a picture of a movie being filmed in Film City, Mumbai. Some other important cities are Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Solapur. The rivers Godavari and Krishna are the two important rivers in the state. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. The state also produces fruits such as grapes, oranges and bananas. You all like to eat fruits, isn't it? So it also produces fruits such as grapes, oranges and bananas. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. This is the picture of cotton, sugarcane, second largest producer of sugarcane. The state also produces fruits such as grapes, bananas, oranges. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. Now we'll see important industries. Textiles, automobiles and electronics are some important industries in Maharashtra. Textiles, automobiles and electronics. Tamasha. A kind of dance drama is very popular in the state. The traditional clothes of men are dhoti and shirt with a cap called a Gandhi topi. The women wear saris which are tied in a special way. Marathi is a common language. The most popular festival in the state is Ganesh Chaturthi. We celebrate it with great enthusiasm, isn't it? So this is the picture of textile industries, automobiles, Tamasha, a kind of dance drama. This is a picture of Tamasha, a kind of dance drama. This is a picture of man wearing dhoti and shirt with a topi called Gandhi topi. The women wear saris which are tied in a special way. This is the picture of Ganesh. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi. The most popular festival in the state is Ganesh Chaturthi, and we say Ganpati Bappa Moria. So did you understand, students? Our next state is Karnataka. We'll see where it is located. Towards the south of Maharashtra lies Karnataka. Here it is. Towards the south of Maharashtra lies the Karnataka. Its capital, Bengaluru, is called the Garden City. Mysore, Hubli and Dharwad are other important cities of Karnataka. The rivers Krishna and Kaveri are the important rivers in the state. The state is a leading producer of coffee, teak and sandalwood are its well-known forest products. This is the picture of coffee, teak plantation. All these are teak trees. sandalwood. Bengaluru is the biggest software development center in India. Important industries. Some other important industries are airplane, watches, electronic goods, and silk. Most of the gold mined in India, where it comes from? Most of the gold mined in India comes from the Kolar gold mines in Karnataka. The people speak Kannada. The men mostly wear lungi and shirts. Most of the women wear saris. Dasra, Ugadi and Shivratri are the important festivals. This is a picture of airplane industry, airplane, silk. This is the picture of Kolar gold mine. There are many beautiful temples and historical monuments in the state. The Brindavan Gardens in Mysore. This is a picture of fountain, musical fountain in Brindavan Garden. Musical fountain show presents a harmonized water dance accompanied by colorful lights and music. So the Brindavan Garden in Mysore and Jog Falls are tourist attraction. Our next state is Andhra Pradesh. We'll see where it is located. To the northeast of Karnataka lies Andhra Pradesh. This is the Andhra Pradesh. To the northeast of Karnataka, this is Karnataka, lies the Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad currently serves as the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Other important cities are Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada. Andhra Pradesh is one of the largest producer of rice, red chilies and tobacco. Hyderabad is an important center for software development. Rivers. The rivers Krishna and Godavari flow through the state. Their fertile deltas are ideal for cultivation of rice. This region is called the rice bowl of India. This is the picture of rice. Red chilies, tobacco. This is the software development. The people of Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. The men traditionally wear dhoti and shirt. The women wear saris. Sankranti, Ugadi, Dasra, Eid and Christmas are the important festivals. Kuchipudi is the famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. The Venkateshwara temple in Tirupati is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. This is the picture of Kuchipudi dance. This is a picture of the Venkateshwara temple in Tirupati, which is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. So students, did you understand? Let's summarize what we learned today. Life in the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau is a vast area, hence the climate and soil vary from place to place. It experiences heavy rainfall. Then we learned about the states. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. It's an important trade and industrial center. Karnataka. The capital is Bengaluru and it's called the Garden City. It's the biggest software development in India. Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It's an important center for software development. So students, with this I'll stop and the remaining part we'll learn in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.